like to thank you very much for that. Going straight to the very next item on the program is another presentation which is tagged Let Your Dreams Take Flight. Nice to know winning tips by the lady of the moment, whom I earlier introduced as the convener of this event. Please, once again, put your hands together for Madam Joy Odebo, Mama J. Very quickly, ladies and gentlemen, just before Mama J comes to give us another quick talk, I'd just like to welcome two distinguished personalities who are here present, and I'd like them to be ushered straight to the high table. One of them is somebody that I know very well. In one of the airlines that I worked, he was our HR director, and he's gone ahead to be an HR consultant. He's doing very good, doing great here in the country, in the, as far as consultancy services concerned. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Today, in fact, I was surprised when I saw him in cabin crew uniform. And my mind immediately went to Virgin Nigeria. He's dressed in the Virgin Nigeria uniform. Even though he was not a crew, he was the head of HR. The head of HR. Appearing today in what level of patriotism? Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Victor Banjo. By the way, I still have my complete uniform as well. Maybe I should have. Another amiable personality I will be inviting to join us on the high table is a distinguished gentleman. He was once one of the members in the committee for the national carrier. I believe he also worked with Virgin at some point, if I'm not mistaken. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Isaac Nagu. I actually thought we had a senator in our midst when I saw him come into the hall. All right, I'll just add one more person to the high table. Is the station manager. Looks like a lot of the people that are here have actually had one thing or the other to do with Virgin Nigeria. I mean, that airline. Wow, wow, wow. The person I'm also inviting to the high table, I'm told also at some point worked with Virgin Nigeria. Today he's the station manager of one of the airlines called Africa World Airlines. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Kingsley Chima. You're most welcome, sir. Permit me to now hand over the microphone to the lady of the moment, Mama J.
Mama J. Once again, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, you're all welcome. I hope you are enjoying the flight so far. Please do not hesitate to call on us. Thank you. If you require any assistance, please just call on us. We are here to serve you. We are proud to serve. Okay, I have just a few minutes to speak on what I'm going to talk about. So I'm not going to take much time. I'm going to try to go straight to the point. Before I start, we're going to do a small exercise. As cabin crew members, are we proud? Are we confident of ourselves? Yes. Oh, yeah. Okay, we are going to do an exercise now. A 1-minute exercise. Please, I believe we all have our phones. We are going to take our phones now, put it on selfie mode. We're going to take a selfie of yourself. I believe everybody has. It doesn't matter the model. Like Android, BlackBerry, Sagem, Nokia, Shinko, whatever. 4SIM, 6SIM, whatever SIM, just hold it, yes. Put it on selfie mode. Are we ready? Okay, now we're going to take a snap of ourselves, upload it to your Facebook profile, and then you hashtag it. I'm a cabin crew, I'm proud, I'm confident. Hashtag I was at the cabin crew fair. Then you tag me. My name is Joy Okebo on Facebook. So we go. 1, 2, 3, go. With a smile, please, because we are crew members. We smile. So you are going to upload it now to Facebook. Then hashtag it. We're going to hashtag it. I am a cabin crew. I'm proud. I'm confident. Are we taking a selfie of ourselves? Okay, so we're going to upload it now. Let's go. To your Facebook page. I'm a cabin crew. I am proud. I'm confident. Then hashtag I was at the cabin crew fair. I'm confident, I'm proud. Yes, so your Facebook, your Instagram, and just tag me. I'm confident, I'm proud. Then hashtag I was at the cabin crew fair. Then tag Joy Okebo. I was at the hashtag I was at the cabin crew fair. Crew fair. Then upload it. OGBEBO. Joy Okebo. JOYOGBEBO. Then upload. Are we ready to go? No network. Welcome to Nigeria. Joy Okebo. JOYOGBEBO. If it's on Instagram, it's Mama J's Aviation Online. Yes, you write it together online. Then Facebook is Joy Okebo. JOYOGBEBO. So if you're using a network that is not responding, switch, because if you're a Nigerian, you know you need to have alternative SIMs. So are we done? Okay. This segment, I'm just going to quickly share some nice to know tips. Like I promised the aspiring cabin crew, I promised to share some tips with you. But unfortunately, I don't have enough time to share all the tips. So what I intend to do is to open up a YouTube channel. So I'll be sharing useful tips from time to time. So all you need to do is just follow me. But this afternoon I'm going to share very few tips because of the time. One of the reasons why I decided to hold this fair was based on the number of calls I received from people asking all sorts of questions. How do I become a cabin crew? What do I do? What school do I train? How can you help me? I just noticed that it's not possible for me to help everybody. That at least I can create a platform whereby I can reach a larger number of people. So please, I will have a YouTube channel. Follow me. I'll be sharing useful tips on how to become a cabin crew and how to take your career to the next level. So briefly, I'm just going to share 2 tips with you. The first one is how to get that cabin crew job in Nigeria, and the other one is how to increase your chances of getting that cabin crew job in Nigeria. How do you get that cabin crew job in Nigeria? A lot of people ask me that, and so I have a lot of CVs people have sent to me. Unfortunately, I don't have an airline, so I don't employ people. So at least I can help you with the right information. So on how you can get cabin crew job in Nigeria, the first thing is, generally you need information. Knowledge is power. Information is liberating. Information helps you to achieve whatever you want to achieve. So what you need to do is to go out there and seek for this information. So basically, on how you can get a cabin crew job in Nigeria, I have 4 points here. The first one is you need to visit airline websites. If you are looking for a job, where do you go to? Sometimes it depends on where you go to. If you are looking for a cabin crew job, then you need to go to the airline website. Most airlines have their official websites where they publish from time to time latest cabin crew job vacancies. So all you need to do is to go to these sites, simply navigate to their career or job section, and you can never tell when you'll be lucky to find one. The next one is follow aviation blogs, related sites and forums. Now, if you really want to get that job, then you need to follow aviation blogs, related sites and forums. Thankfully, there are a lot of aviation blogs now, magazines, like we have the Aviator. He's right here with us. It's an aviation magazine. You go through it. So if you need any information that has to do with aviation, you go to these sites, related sites. There are related sites. If you go on LinkedIn, there are so many sites there, forums that are aviation related. So you go to those sites. So from time to time, you always get information, and then you are abreast of what is happening in the aviation industry in Nigeria and globally. So if you really want to get this cabin crew job, then you need to follow aviation blogs, related sites and forums. But if you ask me to recommend one, I would naturally recommend mamajesaviationblog.com. Then 3, check national dailies. Although this has not been a very popular medium in recent times, but you still cannot rule out the possibility of some airlines putting out their latest cabin crew job vacancies in some of our national dailies. So make a time to check once in a while. Then lastly, network with airline staffs. So after this presentation, we'll have 10 minutes break. The 10 minutes break, there are a lot of cabin crew from other airlines here. We have the veteran cabin crew. We have some NCAA representatives, they are here. We have cabin crew, older cabin crew members. So move around, network with them. Because the truth of the fact is that the need and the urgency to fill up latest cabin crew vacancies sometimes can just come suddenly. And sometimes most airlines will not have the time to go and put it on their websites. So what they do is they just notify their staff. So these staffs will now naturally inform people they know are searching for the job of a cabin crew. Some cabin crew today got their jobs through this means. For example, I had passion for flying 25 years ago, and my uncle knew that I wanted to fly. So when the opportunity came, he told me. So So I applied. So if he didn't know I had that interest, he wouldn't have told me. And if I didn't know, maybe I wouldn't have read the publication. So you need information. And for you to get information, you need to network with people. I went to an airline yesterday and they just recruited for pilots. And it was not in any website, it was not advertised. So some of this information, you need to be close to people who work in the airport so that you can get information. So you need to network with airline staff. You need to follow people who work in the airport so that you get information. Once in a while, I just get calls. Please, John, I'm looking for so and so cabin crew. Do you know anybody? And actually, people that come to my mind is people that have spoken to me that they need a job. So if you don't talk, you don't meet with people, people will not know what you want. So you need to network with airline staff. Make friends with them. Because that's the reality. Sometimes they need to fill out cabin crew positions. And there's no time to put it out there on the newspaper or websites. So please, try and make friends with people who work in the airport if you really want to be a cabin crew. So those are the 4 tips for how to get a cabin crew job in Nigeria. The second tip I'm going to share with you is how do you increase the chances of getting that cabin crew job? The truth of the fact is that there are so many Nigerians out there who are just looking for a very few cabin crew jobs available. We're all aware about what is happening in the aviation industry right now. We have few airlines, so that means we have few jobs. Although it's something that will pick up with time. With time, the aviation industry will bounce back, we'll have more airlines. And for now, we have few airlines. And then we'll have so many people looking for cabin crew jobs. So how, it's not possible for these airlines to take in everybody. So what happens if you happen to be, there are millions of Nigerians that are just looking for the very few jobs that are available. So if you happen to be one of them, how would you stand out from the crowd? What will increase your chances of getting that job? So I just have some few tips here. The truth of the fact is that when you're attractive, then you become more appealing to people. So it's just natural that when recruiters are recruiting, they see a fine face. That is the first attraction. I remember in my airline then, my boss would say, get the CVs, I want to see their pictures. And then he sees some pictures like, take this, put this person, shortlist this person, shortlist this person, shortlist this person. Sometimes some people are not actually photogenic. You know, then you find people who are not as attractive as some people, they look finer in pictures. Then the first thing is because, like if you're applying for some visas, they will tell you that whichever document you've submitted, whatever decision they are taking will be based on what they have before them. So naturally, once they pick up your CV and then they look at your picture, it's fine, it attracts, and then they put it aside, they shortlist you. So how you now perform at the interview, it now depends on you. So being attractive is one of the things that will increase your chances of getting that cabin crew job. However, there's no ugly person. How you package yourself is what matters. It's packaging. So you need to package yourself well, carry yourself well, look good all the time, so that you become appealing to recruiters. 2, if you are trained and licensed. In my own time, running operations was not as expensive as we have it today. The cost of running operations now is getting higher every day. So operators are getting to a point where they have to look for ways of minimizing costs. So if an airline is recruiting, and then you have a trained and licensed crew, and then you have one that is yet to be trained, they will naturally opt for the trained and licensed crew. Do you know that it costs more money and a longer period of time to train a cabin crew? So if I have a crew that is trained and licensed already, why would I not go for the one that is yet to be trained? Because I'm going to cut costs. So naturally, I'll go for the one that is trained and licensed. So when you are trained and licensed, you give yourself more advantage over others. So, and for those that want to train as well, There are so many training schools out there. I was coming from Ocho Elekpa the other day. I was, over the bridge. I saw one aviation training school there. I was like, don't show me everywhere. They are everywhere. It's not all of them that are approved by NCAA. So before you go to a training school, it's good for you to go and investigate and find out the ones that are approved by the Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority. So luckily today we have 2 certified training organizations here with us, Javi Aviation and the Nigerian College of Aviation Technology. So if you intend to train as a cabin crew, I would advise that you meet up with them later and get more information. So it's safer for you to train with the ones that are certified that you know than to go to the ones that you see on the street, because there are so many training schools out there. So being trained and licensed increases your chances of getting that cabin crew job in Nigeria. Under the age of 30, the reality of the fact out there now is that your chances of getting the cabin crew job, irrespective of your experience, now is if you are under the age of 30. Although that does not completely rule out the fact that you cannot get the cabin crew job if you are above the age of 30. But being under 30 increases your chances. So if you intend to pursue a career in the aviation industry as a cabin crew, I would advise that the earlier you start, the better. Appropriate weight. When I started flying, I was a size 0. I was like, very lekpa-ish. I used to hold my skirt because the smallest size then couldn't even fit me. I had to go and hold it. I was very lekpa-ish. I used to take Supradine, Cipron. There's nothing I didn't take just to get fat. I wanted to add small flesh. But today the fat just comes. You know, the fat will come. I'll be battling it. So you can imagine if in my lekpa state now, I mean the semi-urban state I am in now, I'm looking for a cabin crew job. And then the lekpa is also looking for a cabin crew job. Naturally they'll go for the lekpa. So if you intend to pursue a career in the aviation industry, although some of us we have a natural body build, how we're physique. No matter what we do, it doesn't really go down much. It's something that you need to really work if you want to. It will increase your chances if you are slim. And when we worked with Virgin Nigeria, because they were British, they were not really that discriminatory with your weight. But they had one policy. If they employ you as a size 12 or 14, you must not go out of that size because they're not going to change your uniform. So how you maintain that size is your business. So they will take you because they don't discriminate. They will take you as a size 14, as a size 16, but you must not go out of that size because they're not going to change your uniform. If you go out of that size, that means you have to look for another job. So when you're slim, naturally to increase your chances of getting cabin crew job. Then height varies from airlines to airlines. 5 feet 4 minimum and 6'2" maximum. You'll be wondering why this weight and height requirement. Well, it's expected that as a cabin crew, most of the time you are going to be operating emergency exits, you are going to be operating emergency equipment. We have computers that are stored in the overhead bins. So the cabin crew should be able to access those equipment with the overhead bins. And your hand should be able to at least reach the emergency exits and operate them in an event of an emergency. There are academic qualifications. Some airlines employ you irrespective of your academic qualifications. But I tell you, if you are a graduate, then your chances are far higher than people who are not graduates. Then the last one, customer service experience. After safety, the next thing is passengers. So if you have customer service experience, then naturally it will increase your chances of getting that cabin job in Nigeria. Like I said, I don't have time. So what I'll do, I'll open up a YouTube channel to share with you from time that will help you. and guide you. I hope with these 3 points that I've shared with you, that will help you. Thank you very much. Welcome aboard.
I took out of that.